What is a tsunami? Hi everyone, I'm teacher Isa Maria. I'm here today to explain what a tsunami is, why it happens, and how it affects people in a very easy to understand way. Let's start with the basic definition. A tsunami is a very large and powerful sea wave, or a series of waves, that can flood and destroy coastlines. But unlike regular waves we see at the beach, a tsunami is caused by the movement of the earth, not just by the wind. What causes a tsunami? There are four main causes, but the most common one is an undersea earthquake. Let's break that down. 1. Underwater earthquakes, most common cause. When two big pieces of the Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, suddenly slide or bump into each other under the ocean. They can push up or pull down the sea floor. That sudden movement pushes the water above it, and that creates a wave. Imagine putting your hand into a bathtub and quickly pushing up. The water splashes. That's how a tsunami starts. 2. Volcanic eruptions under the sea. If a volcano erupts under the ocean, it can push out a lot of lava and gases, causing the water to move violently and create waves. 3. Landslides. Sometimes, a big piece of land or rock from a mountain falls into the ocean or a lake, causing a large splash, just like when you jump into a pool. 4. Meteor impacts, rare. If a huge asteroid hits the ocean, it can create a tsunami. This is very rare but possible. How does a tsunami move? In the deep ocean, tsunami waves are very fast, up to 800 kilometers per hour, as fast as an airplane. But not tall, just a few centimeters or meters high, so ships usually don't feel them. But when the tsunami reaches shallow water near the shore, it slows down and becomes very tall and strong, sometimes as high as buildings. Then it crashes into the land with great force, flooding and destroying everything in its path. How do we know a tsunami is coming? Countries have installed early warning systems that can detect underwater earthquakes and unusual ocean movements. If there's a strong earthquake under the sea and it affects a fault line, the crack between two plates, experts quickly check if a tsunami might happen. Signs a tsunami might be coming. 1. You feel a strong earthquake at the coast. 2. You see the water suddenly pulling back from the shore, like the sea is disappearing. 3. You hear a loud roar coming from the ocean. If you see or feel any of these signs, run to higher ground immediately. Don't wait. What can we do to stay safe? 1. Know the warning signs. 2. Practice evacuation routes if you live near the coast. 3. Listen to official alerts, TV, radio, phone, or sirens. 4. Don't go back until authorities say it's safe. 5. Educate your family, especially children. Tsunamis are natural events that can be deadly, but knowledge saves lives. By understanding what they are, how they work, and how to react, we can protect ourselves and others. Let's stay informed and be ready, because when nature speaks, we must know how to listen and respond wisely.